Hi everyone, today I will introduce another delicious recipe with two matching ingredients, tofu and kimchi. Spicy kimchi and the nutty flavor of tofu along with other vegetable ingredients makes for a very tasty jeon. I love this jeon with a crispy outside and soft inside. Try it someday. Obtain 1 pack of tofu. Break the tofu with your fingers to make crumb-sized pieces. You will get about 2 cups of it. Obtain the well-fermented kimchi. Cut the kimchi into little pieces. Cut the onion, green onion, and red hot pepper into little pieces. Combine all the prepared ingredients and seasoning ingredients into a mixing bowl. Depending on the saltiness of your kimchi, you can skip the salt or adjust the amount of salt to your taste. Mix everything well. Put a spoonful of tofu mixture on a heated pan with a generous amount of cooking oil. Form it into a nice round shape with your spoon. Heat this process for rest of the tofu mixture. Fry one side for about 5 minutes or until it becomes golden brown on medium-high. Flip the jeon and fry another side for about 5 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. Since the tofu mixture is very soft, it is important not to flip the jeon often. You do not need dipping sauce for it. You can eat this as a snack or side dish. This also can be a great idea for your lunchbox menu. Enjoy! 올라이드. 오늘은 엄마가 김치 두부전을 만들었어요. 우! 먹고 싶어요?
네.
네. 그러면 로건 어떤 거 먹을 거야?
이거.
이거?
네.
알겠어. 이거. 자, 한번 먹어보자. 전.
땅.
다시 먹나?
짠.
잘 먹는다. 또 매워. What? What do you want? You want more?
네.
어떤 거?
이거.
이거?
야.
갑니다. 잘라주세요.
짠지야.
이게 뭐야?
스파이시.
두부,
두부.
김치전.
김치야.
두부, 김치전.
두부 김치다.
젓가락으로. 아이, 잘 먹네.
뭘?
뭘? 그거 다 먹고?
응.
젓가락으로. 그렇지. 냠냠냠. 김치 잘 먹는다. 아유. 나무 귀야. 든든하게, 든든하게. 네네. 에이, 귀여워. 아우, 귀여워. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.